Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia Ado. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, today I'll be showing you a video on how I contoured my face. More makeup videos will come in, how I did the neon green lining underneath will be coming, but today it's all about contouring. So just stick to the contour area, and please, you can drop a comment, whatever you think or whatever you feel. Thank you so much. Okay, first things first, we're going to prime our face. I'm using classic primer. It's quite oily, but when you rub it, take your time to rub it. It dries into your face. I'm just going to rub that in carefully. Rub that in carefully, massaging my face. Well, this contour style I'm using, that is my HD foundation. I'm not going to put too much, just going to put a little. I don't want it much on my face. Well, as I was saying, this contour style I'm actually using is mostly for people that have dry skin. For my skin, my skin is just in between. I'm not dry or that oily. I'm just doing it because I do this sometimes, especially if I'm in a hurry, but this is good for beginners. So I'm just going to tap that, keep blending it, and making sure I blend it out properly. You have to take your time in blending. Also learn to blend your neck area. Learn to blend your neck area is very, very important. Then I'm gonna apply my concealer underneath my eye. Okay, when applying your concealer, especially for beginners, you don't put it directly under your eye. You just take it down a little bit, because when you want to blend, it will blend out. So for it to have easy blending, you just do that. Don't take it directly under your eye, especially for people starting to become tougher to blend well for you. So I'm just going to do all those that. Just going to apply that everywhere on my face. Then I blend. When blending, you just use your blending sorry, what's that? I think your blending puff or whatever, and just tap on your face. Tap on your face carefully. Tap on your face. Don't rub it. You keep tapping that till it blends in perfectly. Blending with your foundation. So I'm just going to apply that in the area I feel I need to apply. I just have applied that since though, but somebody came in and trying to fix something for me, so I had to pause my video, then come back again. So I'm just applying this area, but you do that too. Then you tap in carefully. I'm gonna use Morphe palette. It has everything that has for contour and highlighting. So I'm just going to use that and dab it in. The reason why like I said, this kind of I'm not gonna bake my face. This type is mostly for people that have dry skin, because when you have dry skin, it's very, very hard for you to blend. So you rather not even you rather not bake your face, so you just do that and dust off immediately. So I'm using that, and I won't be baking today. Keep doing that so I blend it very well. Just keep doing that. There's no mountain you climb up, hold you and kick down, coming after me. No wall you tear down, coming after me. There's no mountain you climb up, hold you and kick down, coming after me. There's no law you won't cheat on, hold you won't kick down, coming after me. Okay, I'm not actually showing you guys a video on how I did this. I'm just creating my eyeshadow before I go into the rest of the contouring. So this is just a quick video on how I was creating my eyeshadow. I'm going to strictly do a video for cut crease, so you guys just stay tuned. I'm going to do a video strictly for cut crease. Many of my friends and people who were watching requested for that. You know, I'm trying to contour my nose. I don't want it too much. I'm still going to do another contour and highlight video when I have my ring light, so it will be easier for you to see what I'm doing. So I'm contouring my nose using an angle brush, but it's a big one. It's kind of flat. You can use anyone, the one that works for you. Then I'm highlighting it. You can see me highlighting with my glow. When highlighting, you put it mostly at the top of your nose and the down part of your nose, then use your finger to like blend it in very well. You just do that, and quite easy for you. No mountain you kick down, oh you want you down, coming after me. Okay, I'm actually contouring the side of my cheek area. I think they call this the reverse contour or something. I think I've had that somewhere. I've forgotten where I had that. Trying to create that area where my my contour area is, where my contour is going to be. So I'm just going to create that. When you want to blend that out, I'm using a darker shade. Using that dark shade to do that. You can see the way I'm doing it. You blend that out, you go round. You just keep doing that, going round, around, 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 round. You blend it out round. You don't like, I don't know how to tell you that, but don't spray it like that. Just keep going round. No, you kick down, mountain won't climb up, coming after me. Don't mind me. I mixed that song, yeah. But I love the song. So I'm just going to use my powder and powder all over my face. I'm going to blend everything in. I've not really blended everything in, so I'm just going to use my powder and blend everything in. Just keep doing that, like tapping it on my face till I blend all in. You can see looks better now. Blended it in. I'm going to highlight my mouth area. I just want that my lip, I want my lip to be really defined, so I'm going to highlight that. When I want to do that, I smile. Yeah, I kind of smile when I want to do that. Just going to keep going that way, going the way. done this before, but I'm going to do a special video for glowing. Take your time, my dear, take your time. Then you are like the top already. I'm going to do that. There's no mountain you climb up, wall you kick down, coming after me. There's no you tear down, I won't tear down, coming after me. Applying my lipstick. Ooh. No mountain you kick down, oh, you climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you kick down, I won't tear down, coming after me. I'm happy with myself, so I'm going to use my gloss. I'm just gonna make it glossy. I just know why. I think glossy goes for me with this look. I wanted that to be a dark purple, but unfortunately it's kind of light. So